Want to remove a contact from your iPhone but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to delete contacts on your iPhone. Now let's get started. To delete a contact on iPhone, first open the Contacts app. Find the contact you would like to remove and tap their name to open their contact entry. Tap Edit in the top right corner. Then scroll to the bottom and tap Delete Contact. To confirm, tap Delete Contact. If you have more contacts you would like to remove, repeat these steps to delete each contact you want to remove. That's all it takes to delete contacts from your iPhone. For more helpful iPhone tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of iPhone tutorials. We'll have it linked in the description box below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.